And then the question goes on, if AI operates based on patterns, doesn't that by definition mean it can never truly innovate? Oh, such a great question. We operate on patterns too. Um, Everything we do is pattern based. We're excellent pattern matching machines. Like as babies, we are building those blocks together, and as humans, we're connecting ideas together. And some of the greatest innovations in history have come not from like an individual discovery, but rather through the linking of disparate fields. Hmm. I, if we link those disparate fields together, we say we take a little bit of chemistry and a little bit of biology, and suddenly we have a medication. That's where a lot of innovation happens. And I would further argue that we are actually have already seen innovation by AI in some of the development effort that I will get into a little bit later. Um, AI is kind of already developing innovations on itself, but we'll get to that.